Well, it is Fashion Thursday, and we're at the Purple Door in Beaumont. And joining me is manager Lisa. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
This is kind of like that one-stop shop. If a lady's looking for like a nice evening out on the town, it seems like you guys have everything that she'll need. She'll just walk out here, walk out the door, the Purple Door, satisfied.
She absolutely can. We have anything from accessories through her shoes, whatever. She can actually rent a handbag if she needed to. So yes, we can definitely dress her.
Well, that sounds like fun. Now, let's kind of start from the beginning. Let's say a mother and daughter are going out on an outing. It seems like you'd be able to take care of both mother and daughter.
Yes, we have lots of things that are age appropriate for the daughter and for the mother, such as that outfit there, where there are actual pants and something with a sleeve. Then we have something for a daughter that's a little more hip, for someone younger, that college age lady.
All right. And then, of course, and you said even grandmothers come in.
Yes. We do have a lot of grandmothers, mothers, and daughters that shop. And when they leave, they all three leave with something that they love and that they are comfortable in, and they have a good time shopping.
Talk a little bit, because you did touch on this, that you can rent the bags. Kind of talk a little bit about putting that together for the moms out there.
Yes. Renting the handbags is different for Southeast Texas. You can rent a handbag for a week or for a month. It is a perfect accessory for a wedding, a weekend getaway, a business trip maybe. And it's something that is different for our area, but I think that you'll see the value when you really want to add that something extra to your outfit.
And talk a little bit about the fact that you cater not only to women of all ages, but to all women, because you have all sizes.
Yes, we do. We carry small to 2X. So our styles, it gives you a variety of sizes and choices. And so we're very, very proud of that.
And you told me earlier that you are the accessory queen. Kind of talk about the accessories that you have here with all the earrings and beautiful jewelry.
We do. I love to do the jewelry. We try to make something that's appropriate for any outfit, either be it long like I'm wearing now or something like you have on, and something that's definitely in style.
And so what do you want to say to the ladies out there, who are getting ready to maybe plan a night out on an evening out?
Come by the Purple Door and we'll get you fixed up. We'll help you style you how you need and make it something affordable and something you feel good about when you leave.
And one other thing that really, stuck out at me is that your store hours are awesome because, for those moms that are getting off, they still have time to do that shopping.
Absolutely. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 7:30, which does give you plenty of time as a busy mom to come in after work or get in here on a Saturday, and we're always here for you and ready to help.
All right, Lisa, well, thank you so much. And again, come to the Purple Door. It's your place for the new fashion trends. We'll be right back after the break.